Good morning, welcome to my sauna. I hope people realise I call it a sauna because of the horrible orange wood, not the fact it's warm. Otherwise, of course, you wouldn't have the fire going, would you? I thought today we'd have a chat about how you can use social media to target customers better instead of it being that random, you feel it's that random, just anybody who's listening to me. If you're using Facebook ads, of course, you can use the reach ad objective. That then allows you to pick an area, part of the country that you want to get into. One thing I think most people don't do and don't realise is local hashtags. So, for instance, here on LinkedIn, I tend to use a lot of Growing Lancashire, which would kind of indicate to people that, I'm very involved in that area. So go and see if you can connect with local hashtags, see if there are any out there in your area that you need to get in front of, and start using them in your social media. So that's one good one. Another one is using locations, geotags. So Instagram, Facebook, etc. You can add a location to where you are, which means that then everything under that location is showing up, and people who are looking and checking in that location will be able to find you and see you because, it's raising that awareness of local businesses. Another one is to create more localised content. Stop doing generic be all end all out to anybody. Aim it at your local market. Make it relevant to your local market, something that might have happened in the area. Good old us talking about the weather, for instance. If it has, full well it's only been snowing in your part of the world, then that is kind of something you can talk about. But you need to generate local content or content for the area in which you're trying to get in front of. So, of course, another one, of course, is always to engage more frequently with local communities. So you're building up trust and confidence in them. Mention other businesses that are in your area as well, so you can start bouncing off each other. It's all about forming that local area that you wish to be found in. It's very, very good. And you can actually go hyperlocal, i.e. as refined as possible on that. So yeah, just a few things there for you to think about if you are aiming at a certain locality, and how you can aim your social media at that one particular one. All right, that's me done for today. If you want to leave any comments below, please do. Otherwise, I'll leave you to it. Toodles.